I'm John from Mechanic Masters. We rent and repair area lifts, and we use multi-oil for all our lubrication needs. Disperses moisture and electrical components, penetrates into rusty pins. Multi-oil is environmentally friendly. It exceeds most products in the salt spray test at 360 hours. We use multi-oil on all our hinges, keep them lubricated and rust-free, keeps corrosion from bolts, keeps corrosion off of electrical contacts, puts a thin film on engines and metal parts to keep them from rusting, keeps all the electrical contacts from rusting and oxidation, works well on batteries. We also use it on all our pivot points. Keep the machine moving squeak-free. Penetrates deep into rusted metal and stops the corrosion from advancing much better than what paint or a wax product would do. They would seal in the moisture. This will disperse the moisture and keep it from corroding.